What one has gathered from the media and also what has come out and transpired through the decisions of the Honorable Supreme Court and the report of the Honorable Chief Justice of Delhi High Court is very, very disturbing. Because one cannot recall an incident where such a grave allegation of actually cash being present in the house of a sitting judge has ever been raised or discovered. In this particular case, what has emanated or is known from the media is that there was an incident of fire. It seems that the fire brigade went there to the judge's house, and in that process, the videos show burnt cash, large amounts of cash, and very, very big figures are.
We saw how the entire cover-up was happening, how it started to get murky with denials and counter-denials, then agreement, and finally some release of images, the entire inquiry report. However, what is surprising is this episode happened around the 15th of March and it has come in public domain only after a newspaper published that entire report. So which goes to show that there was an attempt to cover up this entire haul of cash. And what is extremely shameful is that if any Indian citizen was found with this kind of cash, they would have been behind bars right now. There would be ED, CBI, income tax, all gunning for that individual citizen of India. However, our lordships consider themselves above the law and order system, which is unfortunate, and I say it with full responsibility. Let no citizen of this country feel that they are above any kind of scrutiny. And we saw cover-up was happening and ultimately a committee being formed to probe into this. However, I would prefer that there's a more independent committee and it is not just amongst the judiciary who will decide what is right, what is wrong. So I'm hoping for a free and fair probe, I'm hoping for a transparent probe, and I'm hoping that this particular haul of cash becomes a catalyst for judicial reforms in this country.
कोई भी राष्ट्र की स्टेबिलिटी दो